know what a QNET independent representative is, you're probably thinking, how do IRs earn commissions from a sale? There are many exciting ways to earn when you join QNET. As an IR, you can build your own sales team of IRs and earn from the product sales they achieve, or choose to sell QNET products and earn retail profit. The most successful IRs do both. So how do you earn retail profit? You sell QNET products to retail customers. Who are the retail customers? Retail customers are consumers who are not registered independent representatives of QNET. They could be anyone who likes QNET products and buys them for personal use. What is retail profit? Retail profit is the difference between the price paid by your customer and your discounted price as an IR. Retail profit varies by the product, and as an IR, you can earn up to 20% retail profit from every product sale you make to your retail customers. Now, when you register as a QNET IR, the first product you buy will be at retail price. Then, after you buy products with at least a minimum of 500 BV in total, all your next purchases will be made at the discounted IR price. This means that you'll earn retail profit when you sell to retail customers and save when you buy products for your own personal use. The more products you sell, the more retail profit you will earn. Download the QNET mobile app now and get started with QNET.